Energy powers our lives, but where does it come from? Fossil fuels like coal and oil dominate, but they also pollute and warm the planet. That's why renewable energy, sources like solar, wind, and more, are becoming the future of power. Let's break down the basics. Renewable energy comes from natural processes that won't run out. Unlike fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form, renewables are constantly replenished by nature, like sunlight, wind, water, and even heat from beneath the earth. Solar energy uses photovoltaic panels to turn sunlight into electricity. It's clean, abundant, and getting cheaper every year. Large solar farms can power cities, while rooftop panels can power homes. The main challenge? Solar works best where there's lots of sunlight, and energy storage is needed for night use. Wind turbines capture moving air and turn it into energy. Modern wind farms can generate power for thousands of homes. Offshore wind farms, built at sea, can produce even more energy because winds are stronger. The downside? Wind can be unpredictable, so it often needs backup from other power sources. Beyond solar and wind energy, there are other renewable energy solutions. Hydropower. Dams harness the movement of water to produce electricity. Geothermal energy. Heat from inside Earth powers turbines. Biomass. Plant and organic waste can be converted into fuel. Each has its strengths and limitations, but together they make renewable energy more reliable. Renewable energy is reshaping the future. It reduces pollution, fights climate change, and creates cleaner ways to power our world. From solar panels on rooftops to massive wind farms, the energy of tomorrow is already here. The real question is, how fast will we switch? Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.